Hi everyone, we are making kvas. Today we're going to need some unfiltered apple juice, no concentrate, apple cider vinegar, some coffee that's dissolvable, sugar, yeast, water, and lots of it, and some molasses. This drink will have some alcoholic percentage after like 3 days, so it's not recommended for children or for pregnant. So we are pouring apple juice and water in here. Put all the ingredients, which is the molasses, the sugar. We're just gonna combine everything in a large bowl or pot. I'm doing it in a large pot. Just sprinkle everything, the yeast, the coffee, dissolvable coffee, molasses, and we're just gonna whisk that together. Make sure the water is warm that you put in here because we want the yeast to eat off the warm. It eats the sugar and the warmth of the water. That's how it's gonna activate. Make sure this liquid here in the end it's warm. So test it out in between. Leave it room temperature for overnight or at least 6 hours. And once that's in the process, this is a video where this is a part like after 4 or 5 hours. This is what it looks like. And then once the time is up, I just mix everything together as the mixture so we can get all of this. And prepare some empty bottles from juice or whatever you have, from pop, Pepsi, whatever you have. So this is how much it turned out. Pour it in there carefully and don't tighten all the way because we don't want this to puff into the in your fridge. So keep it loosely open.